Nikolai Ivanovich Fishin, born on 26 November 1881 in Russia, was a Russian American painter, sculptor, and wood carver, renowned for his vivid, emotionally charged portraits and his skillful blending of Russian and Western art tradition. His work is celebrated for its vigorous brushstroke, rich texture, and dynamic composition that breathe life into the subjects, conveying a remarkable scenes of vitality and emotion. Fischer's artistic journey began in Russia, where he was born into a family of artists, and his father was a woodcarver, and Nikolai inherited this love for working with his hand, developing a strong foundation in craftsmanship early in life. His family struggled financially, and Finch's artistic education was initially uncreated. However, at age 13, he was accepted into a Kazan arts school, a decision that set him on the path of becoming one of Russia's most respected artists. He studied under Grigory, a teacher who recognized his potential and encouraged him to pursue his talent. Fishin's skill quality developed and distinguished himself with a talent for detailed, emotive portrayals of his subjects. In 1900, Fisher graduated from a Kazan art school with honors and went on to study at the Imperial Academy of Arts in St. Petersburg, one of the most prestigious art institutions in Russia. Here, the trend under famed Russian artist Ilya Repin, known for his realistic and expressive portraiture, Repin's influence deeply impacted Fischer's technique and approach, helping him to refine his style and embrace a realist approach that portrays emotional depth. While at the Academy, Fisher won several awards, including the Academy's Gold Medal, which allowed him to travel throughout Europe. His exposure broadened his artistic pers- perspective and the absorbed influence from various European movements, including Impressionism and Post Impressionism, while staying true to his Russian heritage. Fischer returned to Kazan in 1910 and began teaching at the Kazan Art School during his period. He also created some of his most famous works, such as his 1911 portrait of warrior, which showcases his skill in portraying texture and detail, as well as his nuanced understanding of his subjects. Personalities, Fischer's paintings often depicted the Russian peasantry, capturing their spirit and dignity in a time of political turmoil. His art resonated with themes of resilience, of empathy, portraying ordinary people with a respect that contrasts with the social turbulence of pre revolutionary Russia. In 1923, with the Russian Revolution disrupting life in Kazan, Fishin emigrated with his wife Alexandra and daughter Oy to the United States, settling first in New York. Thought he initially struggled, he established himself in a new country. In his reputation quickly grew as he exhibited his work at prestigious galleries and began receiving portrait commission. His unique style, combining Russian techniques with Western elements, caught the attention of American portraits and the become a sought after portraits artist painting notable figures like Hollywood stars, politicians, and cultural figures. By 1927, Fisher's health, affected by the humid climate of New York, completed him to move to Taos, New Mexico. There he was captivated by the landscapes, cultural, and indigenous people. His portraits of Native Americans are among his most celebrated works, depicting their culture with a sensitivity and respect rare for the time. Fisher's portraits from his period are marked by a rugged, earthly plate and intense focus on the texture of skin, fabric, and natural materials, reflecting both his mastery of paint and his affinity for wood carving. Fisher's residence, a home he built and decorated with intricate wood carving and furniture he designed himself, become an embodiment of his artistic sensibilities. Every detail from the carved doors to the hand-made furniture reflect his talent and appreciation for craftsmanship. The home still stands today as the Taws Art Museum, and Fisher's house are testament to his life and work. Fisher's returned to New York in 1933 after his marriage ended, eventually spending his final years in Southern California, where he continued to paint and exhibit until his death on 5th October 1955. His legacy lived in both the US and Russia, where his works are celebrated for their expressive depth and technical prowess. His art captured the essence of his subjects with an empty and intensity that have made his portraits timeless, and his blend of Russian heritage with American influences has cemented his place as a unique figure in 20th